Yeah, what happened?
The network. It's the network. You know, it's raining here. Sorry about that.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, so let me see. So this signal here is 21st of March. So I'm going to go to 21st of March on 4-hour chart so that you will now see how to confirm the signal using 4-hour chart and 15 minutes chart. 21st of March. Coming please. 21st of March.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah. I'm trying to take some pictures. I'm trying to take some pictures.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
coming, please.
Okay, no problem.
I'm coming, please.
Miriam?
Coming.
Miriam? Come.
So, Mr.
You understand that, ne? You gonna that and then you said immediately take a transfer on the other side. Eh, no, only come on video.
Okay, so then, like all of you.
Yeah, if I take them, you transfer, just go over them, you transfer on the other side. Outside the woman, see, yeah? So I see. Go over there, we'll see another one. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay.
I'm coming, please. Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, yeah, sure.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Give me a minute, please. I'm trying to take the last picture.
No problem. No problem. Right, sir.
I'm still with you. Just give me a minute. Wow, this is
man.
I'm coming now. Just
What's your talking to someone?
very weird. Ugh. Yeah. So, are you here?
Yeah, hello? Yes, I'm not here.
Okay. Um, so now this is on daily charts, so 4 hour charts. On 4 hour charts, the 10 VIH, MACD is going up, meaning that buy, that is, it's giving us a kind of oversold, though it's not touching 10. And the ADX is pointing down for weakness. So if we enter there, we are reading this buy, all the way to this top shadow.
Yeah. And that's why indicates
Now,
yeah.
so don't see, this one is not telling you we are not really seeing a strong ball to the air. We are just figure out to which is low. On this day, the 24th of March, we can see on our daily charts that price is going to be bullish. So you can enter here. Another place you can enter from is when we see MACD cross the center line. You can see. So when MACD cross the center line, that is there. So we can enter on this candle too. Another point where MACD crosses the center line, you can see ADX is pointing up for strength. The only problem is that 10 moving averages apart. But if we waited for it to cross, price was already at the take profit. If you take this price here, it is hello, we won't be able to enter again. We will not be able to enter again.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, come again, please. The network. Hello?
Yeah, I said this is the best place to enter where we saw that MACD is the histogram is showing retracement. You can see the histogram is pointing up, and ADX is coming down for weakness.
It's coming down for weakness, yeah.
But if you want to be conservative, you can come in when MACD cross the center line.
Okay.
Which means it is now in bullish market.
Yeah.
Bullish market. And you can see that ADX is also pointing up for strength.
Yeah.
The only problem is that 10 moving average is in the lower part.
Yes. Yes.
But we can rely on the signal of daily to enter and enter here. Because if we wait for the 10 moving average to cross, you can see price has already gotten to the top.
Yes, yes, yes.
And if you go to the daily chart, you will notice that this place is already touching the 10 moving average on the daily chart. So we will not be able to enter anymore. So we should have entered early.
Can we check the 10? Okay, this is screenshot. Okay. I thought we can check the daily for now. Well, it's a screenshot. It's okay.
Okay, we can still have an idea. I'm coming. Let me see what I can do. Let me see. Just an idea. Let me see. On the daily charts, when price got to 10 moving average, price was around, it was under 87,990. 87,990. So let's go to 4-hour chart. 87,990. 87,990. So you can see, I'm coming. This is already 88,400 at the top of this shadow here.
Yeah.
Are you with me?
Yes.
So this is even higher than the 10 moving.
Yes.
So this is higher than even the 10 moving average on the daily chart. So we wouldn't be able to enter anymore at the point where there is a cross, the moving averages are crossing each other. So with this retracement strategy or retracement strategy, we can enter on time without all the conditions being fulfilled. Why? Because we are depending on our trust. Our trust is on the daily charts.
Okay.
Even though all the conditions are not satisfied on 4-hour charts, our trust is on the daily chart. So of course it will take time before you can really master it, because it's a little bit different from the way I taught you before.
Yeah.
So, and that is where practice comes in. So if you now go to 15-minute charts, if you go to 15 minutes, this is the work of 15 minutes. For some reason, I tried going to 15 minutes, I wasn't able to see the right dates. The chart had kind of mashed together. So, but if you go to 15 minutes charts and you want to enter and you see that price is moving against you on 15 minutes, don't enter.
Okay.
Don't enter. Until 15 minutes realigns, it realigns and gives you the signal that is consistent with the 4-hour signal and the daily signal. So the three of them must be saying the same thing.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
It must be saying the same thing. Okay. Otherwise, you might be stuck in a down, what's it called? A drawdown.
Okay.
The three of them must be saying the same thing. Do you understand what I'm saying, sir?
Yeah, sure. I understand it.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. I'm just looking at in our previous classes, you always say that the 10 moving average must be above the 20 moving average if we are buying something of such.
Do you understand the difference?
Yes.
That is another variation.
I know
that one is trading in the direction of a trend.
I know this one is retracement. I understand. I'm just trying to say for that case, all of them has to be all of them. You have to see all of the signal. The 10 moving average, the MACD, the ADX, and so. But this one now, as you are saying, it's sometimes not all of them. If the 10 moving average, if the MACD and the ADX, is showing the signal, just enter. Don't have to look at the 10 moving average. That is what I'm saying.
Yes. So I will create a group. I will be in that group. You will be in that group. There's another student in Lagos, Nigeria, that will be in that group. When I have more students that have gotten to this level, I add them to that group. That group, I will be showing you direction of the market. Okay. It will not be a proper signal like enter and buy now. No, I will just show you the direction of the market whenever I see it. So whenever there is a signal on daily charts, I will tell you, okay, market is probably going to be bullish today. So look for a bullish signal on 4-hour and on 15 minutes. They must agree. 15 minutes and 4-hour must agree. So that way we will now be. So whenever you also see a signal on daily charts and you see a confirmation on 4 hour and 15 minutes, you may also post it on that group. Every one of us. So it will now be like an alert for all of us.
Okay, that's good.
So whenever anybody posts a signal like that or a direction like that, it will be a call oh God, it will be an opportunity for us to just take notes, because it's like three people are better than one person. So by the time the three of us are searching the market like that, then if one of us posts a direction like that and it's a mistake, I will always come in and make and correct and say no, that's not a proper direction. You understand?
Yeah, sure.
So if you understand this, even if it's just this, try and trade it. Look for signals between today and tomorrow. Today will not be a good time again, because you start on a daily chart. So you have to start very early, like 12 midnight.
Okay, 12 midnight.
Yes, that is the problem of daily charts. It's daily. So you have to, so 12 midnight, whenever you wake up, let's say 2 a.m., you have to check. Sometimes it's 6 a.m., you have to check. Whenever you see the signal on daily, then go to 4 hour, go to 15 minutes. If they confirm, then open your position on them.
But the time difference.
So
the time difference. You are 1 hour ahead of me. So which time are we using? Are we using UK time, or I don't know?
I'm talking of Sierra Leonean time.
Sierra Leonean time, okay.
So it might be like I'm coming like 11 p.m. Sierra Leonean time. 11 p.m. Sierra Leonean time. Okay. That would be 12 midnight Nigerian time. So 11 p.m. So you have to sacrifice sleep.
No, it's okay.
But this is what I did. This is what I do. I have alarm. It wakes me 12 midnight. In your own time, it will be 11 p.m. 11 p.m. Okay, no problem. Then I set another alarm for 1 a.m. Nigerian time. In your own time, it will be 12 midnight. Then I have an alarm for 4:30 a.m. That's when I normally wake up to start preparing for work. So, but I always make sure I sleep on time. I try as much as, the market is trading, so sometimes you have to monitor the market. But I try to sleep early, maybe like 9 or 8, if there's no problem in the market, so I can sleep on time. But if I'm concerned about the market, then there might be a problem, and I have to have sleepless nights. So if I sleep like 3 hours before 12 midnight Nigerian time, then I know I can get the remaining 4 hours sleep after one, so something like that. So you must sleep a bit early, wake up in the middle of the night, check the market, check daily charts, then sleep. Try and sleep. Although it's going to mess up your sleeping pattern, your sleeping pattern. You might start having insomnia if you're not okay. So do that. Then another class before the so you search through all the markets, including indices, gold. It works for all of them. Indices, stock, check all of them. Whenever you see signal, yeah. So I will create the group today. So whenever you see direction, post it on the group and enter. Since it's demo, go on 4-hour chart, go on 15-minute charts, do confirmation, and then you can trade.
Okay.
Is that okay? So let's work on that. Let's focus on this variation for now. Then if you see the one I taught you as well before, you can also trade on that as well. So those are the two things we are using to trade. Okay. But even with that, you must start from daily charts. Okay. Daily charts must give you a signal that is consistent with what 4 hour is telling you. Yeah. If 4 hour is giving you a signal and daily chart is giving you the opposite signal, don't trade.
Okay.
It might just be a short success. The market might just go in your direction for a short time. But when you are going to get a situation whereby the market is going in your direction for a long time, that is when daily chart, 4-hour chart, 15-minute chart are saying the same thing. And you must enter as early as possible. If you see the signal 4 hours after the market has been moving in the direction, then you are entering too late.
Okay. Okay. Noted.
You are entering a bit too late.
Okay.
So when you're able to master that and you're able to get success using this, then I will show you how we use edging to even eliminate loss completely. Yeah. So I might send you some videos on this and on the plan to remove the edge of the robot. So, but don't worry. As much as God will enable me and enable us, there won't be any more loss on your accounts, on your father's account, which is in your name. You understand? Don't worry, don't worry.
No problem. No
So I
problem.
will figure it out. There won't be any loss. There won't be any more loss.
Okay. Because basically this robot account is his account, as you rightly said, it's just under my name. So, but I've already talked to him, as I told you.
Yeah, I know.
Since I
I know.
have now, yes, since I have the basic training also, I also want to be doing like the manual training as well. And he has agreed to send the money, and I want to open an account. So you see, the I think the 2000.
Good, good. So let's intensify work on our training. Let's encourage him with good results of the demo.
Okay.
So, all right.
Mm-hmm.
So I will send you some materials. Then we might be meeting again like in 2 days' time. I just want to give you opportunity to demonstrate using this
Okay, no
because
problem.
practice makes perfect.
Sure.
So it's hard work. You have to search. You have to search. All right, bro.
Okay, thank you
All
so
right.
much.
That's the end for today.
So when again? Are you after Christmas?
Yeah, I will let you know, but let's say tentatively 2 days time,
Okay.
maybe Wednesday, tentatively.
Okay, no
It could have been tomorrow, but I want you to have enough time to search the market and look for signals, especially since those signals will come very early in the morning.
Okay.
You can't do much work now.
Okay.
So it has to be very early in the morning. So, and the only day you have is tomorrow and Wednesday morning. So, but we will have another class on Wednesday. But before then, I will send you some materials, I will record some videos. Then I will create that group. The group I said I will create. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much.
All right.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
All right. Bye. Yeah.
I don't go polyphone soon. When you post the money for what you have, I don't go poly. Yes, what's up? Now, what's in the trial? Let come to the message I sent to you first. It's a longer, what's I'm able to pick up all Thursday.
I'm not qualified to run.
Well, I for this one too, yeah. The big English they go push on the our patient is still not what's your travel talk now, man? Is what is that? Fine, this. Now they said the women picture you have in the gallery should go inside the women's collaborative. So now, but now you want MBD, say? Okay, I can give you something for the line. So now, should go inside the women collaborative folder. So now, women folder collaborative. That was my first one. Anything? I want to check it. Only this lady. I don't move at the again. You have in the woman's picture. You have in the This thing does have some too, yeah.
So I don't gonna the answer. I see all the stuff. You don't pitch them? Hey, I'm on to the phone. You understand? That'll be full of okay.
Vacation, say that we don't pay that event for that. Or that 2022 event, 2022 event, all for going that day. Inside, so inside the events, we got the events in the understand.
So no one when they speak English, they're saying I would say, that's